You can do this polynomial division problem just by drawing. Let's see how. When we see a division problem, we can think of it as if we have the area of the rectangle and we know a side length of the rectangle, what's the other side length? Kind of like with whole numbers. If we know that the area of the rectangle is 42 and we know a side length is 6, what's the other side length? Well, it has to be 7. So our goal is to make 1x squared, 2xy, negative 2x's, negative 2y's, and a 1 into a rectangle, knowing that a side length is x minus 1, and the goal is to figure out the other side length. So, by the way, talking about side lengths, notice that x times x is x squared, x times y is xy, 1 times x is x, 1 times y is y, and 1 times 1 is 1. So once again, our goal is to build what's up here in the numerator as a rectangle in here, knowing that one of the side lengths is x minus 1. So what's a good start? Well, we need x squared over here, and I know x times x is x squared. So let's start with that. So I get x times x is x squared, and as a consequence, I also get negative 1 times x, which is negative x. Now I also need 2xy in here. I know x times y is xy. Let's do that twice to get 2xy. So x times y is xy, and negative 1 times y is negative y. And we did that twice. Now we're almost there. Looking over here, we need one more negative x, and we need a positive 1. So let's multiply x minus 1 by negative 1. Now let's double check to see if we have everything. We have our x squared, we have 2xy's, we have 2 negative x's, we have 2 negative y's, and we have a 1. So we're done. So what's the other side length? Well, it's x plus y minus 1, or x plus 2y minus 1. So polynomial division doesn't have to be scary. We could do it by drawing. If you know the area of the rectangle and a side length of the rectangle, your goal is to figure out the other side length.